Alright, so we just exported this to DWG, and I'm going to open that up in AutoCAD. So I've just got this guy open. I'm going to go to Open File, and there is, let's see, there's that cross section that I did. And just go ahead and open that. So this is what you get. And basically what I want to do, I'm just going to go ahead and erase the fills because I'm not going to need those, is I'm going to make a new layer. Right, and so just come into new layer, and I'll name this 0 section, and I'm going to make it sort of an obnoxious color, maybe a light pink, so I can really see it, and I'll make it current. Right, and close this. And then I'm going to do a rectangle around here, and then I'm going to do a line somewhere in the middle of this guy. Right, which is fine, that's fine. And then I'm going to do a B poly. So if I come in here and do a B poly, I'm going to pick points, and I'm just going to pick here, right, and then I'll pick in here and hit enter, and then I'll repeat the process, and I'll pick in here, 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 and enter. And then I'm going to isolate those layers, so it's lay ISO. And I'm sure there's a way in Rhino to do this, I just find it easier in here. So here's what I've got, and I can see that I'm missing something up here. It went a little wonky right in here. So I'm going to turn all the layers on, which is lay on. And so I've got a little line that I need to do here. So I'm just going to make a line from here to here, right? And then I also need a line really from here, I think probably, yeah, from there, you know, to the end point of this guy. Ugh, I think I've got my grid snap on, which is super annoying. Yeah. Okay, and let's just get rid of that. And so basically what I'm doing is coming in and making a mask. So if I isolate this guy, right, all I want to do is kind of explode this and clean it up. So I'm just going to come in and clean all of this up, right? And to me it's just so much easier to do this in CAD. I mean, you can do it in Rhino if you want to. I don't know if I want I don't think I want the glass in this section. I guess it just depends on the kind of, right? So let's just get rid of these. And then so this can be fairly fast, right? So that just must be the little piece. Look at that. Depending on how quick you are, you know, with CAD and stuff. So, oh, I do miss CAD. Right. Alright, so I think that's pretty much got that side. Just need to get rid of this guy. Right. And maybe trim that out. Right there. Alright. And then let's take a look at this side. This side actually looks pretty good. I mean, I don't have any problem with what's going on here. Then I'm just going to erase this. Whoops, not that. Sorry. I just want to erase this guy. Whoops. Have to explode it first. Let's explode it. So it's a polyline. And then I'm just going to erase this guy, and erase this guy, and just get rid of all of the extra stuff. Right? I mean, if you want to be really specific about it, you can come in and fix this little guy. I mean, there are some bits and pieces that could be more efficient, but really I'm just going to I'm just kind of going to let it go, right? Like, I could come in and be a little bit more picky about that, but I'm just going to join all these. Alright, so now I've got closed polylines for all of these. It just helps in Revit to have these as closed polylines. Okay, so that took me about 5 minutes to clean that up. I know you have larger files, but depending on the complexity of the file, this is how I would kind of suggest it. And to get it down to a polyline, if you want to do this. And when we come back, we'll import this into Revit and make a closed region from it. Alright.